What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have a new project for you. It's called Synthetix, or SNX for short. I think it's similar to Aster, yet it fulfills a bit of a different promise, or it has a bit of a different use case. I still think it has a lot of room for growth. I think it's possibly even more than Aster. And I think everyone's sleeping on it a little bit. Um, it is also going to offer perp contracts, perpetuals, leverage trading. It is working on it. I will get into that a little bit more in the rest of the video. But originally, it was aimed at offering alternatives to trading, let's say, stocks, financial markets, gold, metals, etc. But you're able to trade it from a DeFi protocol in crypto. So it's it basically has synthetics alternatives to the real world assets. So I think that is a bit of a different approach, but it also features the perpetual contracts. Then it is on the Ethereum network, so it has gone back to a layer one approach, and I think it offers the safety and stability while also offering low zero to low trading fees on its platform. I think it could be very interesting, but let's get into it in the rest of the video. All right, so here we are at Synthetix, the main data about Synthetix. So as we can see right off the bat, the market cap is a lot smaller. The market cap is roughly a quarter the size of Aster, which means it also has a much bigger room for growth if it continues on a similar path. And if we look at the chart of SNX, we see this little price structure here. It has announced that it's going to do a mainnet launch. So basically, the launch of their own platform, and they're kicking off with a trading contest in which you can win up to $1 million. So that obviously is going to draw a lot of traders. They also offer staking rewards through using the platform, similar to how Aster is doing it. So I think there is a lot of similarity between the two, yet there is a lot more room for growth. And also, I think the Ethereum network, I mean, it's still the second biggest crypto in the world. It will draw a lot of volume. I'm expecting it to draw a lot of volume. But we're looking, even though Aster is relatively new, we're still seeing that same little move up, a little bit of stabilization, and now we're starting to see a little more buying pressure happen. And this is roughly the same thing which is happening here. So I think we're very close to a bit bigger breakout forming here as well. And if you can see, like, it has already done a quite considerable big move in prices. And I will say though that in the past it has performed a lot better. In the past it has been it was a bit of a different project. It is rebranding itself, so that is could be risky. But the fact that it is doing all these things after such a long time means the team is still actively developing. Something I always like, that I'm always looking for active teams, active companies in this crazy crypto world, just to make sure that you're not buying into some form of meme coin or rug pull or whatever. I'm expecting definitely to seeing some shift of volume in here as well. Now, as I said in the intro, the new perp decks that they're going to launch will feature gasless trading, multi-collateral margin. That is a bit of a mouthful. On-chain settlements. Traders can use assets like the SUSD, which is a derivative coin, which I mentioned before. They have part of the Synthetix ecosystem, and technically, like I said, it has formed a stable bottom. I think it could do really well, considering that the volume of Ethereum, like it does not need a lot to push it a lot higher, and we can see that price movement happened here. And a little bit of zooming, there we go. So like I said, volume has been considerably down. We're seeing some buying pressure. I think this is definitely uh, a possible play here. And like I said, with that mainnet launch coming up, lots of staking rewards, big pull on uh, putting out $1 million in trading or possibly rewards, prize money. I think with DEX platforms becoming the next hot item in crypto, I think we have a definite play in crypto here, and we can see there is so much room here. Like there is so much room for the upside. Like even if it does just go to 5, that's still basically a 4x from where it is right now, and that's still a very high return. And the market cap is relatively small, so pushing it to that $2 billion market cap will put it immediately into a 4x for us buying at this price. And I have personally bought a little bit at this price or slightly below it, so I'm in a small profit right now, but I'm definitely intending to hold this for the foreseeable future. Unless we see something like a 10x move happen, then definitely I will be taking some profits, of course. Uh, but yeah, I think I'm relatively bullish on this coin. I think it could be something. I think there's something here. And please feel free to disagree with me. I will do a follow-up video on this, possibly another AI analysis about this. Maybe the AI will pick something up I forgot, I'm missing. Um, yeah, I think. Yeah, let's just see. Let's just see. I've bought a little bit. Let me know what you guys think, what you are gonna do, and like I said, I will get back to you on a bigger, better, longer video about this. But I think it's gonna, it, yeah, things are gonna move fast on things like this. All right, so that was a little short video about SNX. Like I said, feel free to let me know what you think. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you can. It will help me out massively, and I'll see you all on the next video.